Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In a short while from now we are going to discuss very significant topic in this video. Today's topic is how to convert, how to translate the Hindi to English and English to Hindi without using the internet. So today we will discuss how to translate without using internet by using MS Word 2007. So without taking any more time, let's come to the point, and it is requested to you, please watch this video up to the end until it should be finished, because having seen this video definitely your MS Word knowledge, working knowledge is going to enhance. So without taking any more time, let's come to the point. Here we go. Therefore we have need the some paragraph where we can translate the Hindu to English and English to Hindi. Therefore I will insert some paragraph. Therefore I will click on here by using the equal to sign, and I will put here add a and d, and bracket will be open. Here I will put 3 and then 5, and bracket will be closed and enter. Then we will get like this kind of paragraph. But in this paragraph I want only one paragraph where I have to translate, so that we can discuss very simply. Here I have taken one paragraph, and I will select this paragraph. After that you will see the MS Word menu: home, insert menu, page layout, reference menu, mailing menu, review menu, and view menu. Here we will go in review menu, and definitely you will see the spelling and grammar, research, results, and translate. So this is that menu that today uh, we have to use. We will click on that, and as soon as you will click on that, you will see that here the the Hindi English to Hindi has been changed over here. If you want to change English to any other language, you may click on that, like this Italian. Then you will see like this Italian. This is Italian language, and this is if you want to change any other language like Spanish, then you will get like this. But right now I am going to translate English to Hindi, so I will select definitely Hindi. So therefore this is the Hindi India. I have clicked, and as soon as I click, we get results, and the whole paragraph has been changed in Hindi and has been translated. So I have to insert this matter paragraph Hindi paragraph on this page. So simply we will click on insert, then we will get the paragraph on my same page. You may see like this. Here you can watch this kind of the whole paragraph which I have selected has been translated in Hindi. If this paragraph which has been translated in Hindi want to change in English, simply you have to click as we have done before for translation English to Hindi, like that I have to do Hindi to English as well. So we have to change the language vice versa. Here I would like change in Hindi to English, then you will see the same thing is over here. The whole matter has been changed in English. So like this you can insert this from here. You may watch this whole paragraph on the same page as well. So this is all about the translation without using internet. So friends, if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel immediately, so as to whenever I upload my new video or new topic, you can get shortly. Friends, if you wanna watch more video about Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft File Manager video, I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel immediately, so that whenever I upload my new video, you can get notification immediately. I will see you in next video along with new topic. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.